Access control. The procedure designed to restrict access to online terminal devices, programs, and data. While some person can only access that in the internet. Example given user ID password. Access control consists of user authentication and user authentication. Okay. User authentication typically attempts to identify user through unique login identification, password, access code, biometric. User authentication consists of access rules to determine the computer resources each users may access. Specifically, such procedures are designed to prevent and detect unauthorized access to online terminal devices and program data. Any unauthorized person, so whoever doesn't have the credential can't access it. Entry of unauthorized transaction, some unwanted transaction, malicious minded transaction should not be, it should be prevented. Unauthorized changes to data files. So malicious intent are to corrupt a file, no unauthorized person to do it. Use of computer program by unauthorized persons. So only the person who has the resources, who has the power, who has authentication or authority can access that software, not other any others. Use of computer programs that have not been authorized. You can't access what you don't have authority. That's the thing.